Horse. Horse is the farm's transportation and worker. They help pull carts or carry farmers around. Horses are very strong and fast. Cow. Cow gives us two important things, milk and meat. Milk is made into cheese and butter. Yummy! Cows eat grass all day long. Chicken. Chicken gives us eggs and meat to eat. Chicken eggs are yummy for breakfast. Roosters love to wake everyone up in the morning. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool and meat. Their wool is cut to make thick sweaters. Sheep really like to stay close to their friends. Swan and goose is usually on the farm for beauty if there's a big pond. They make the view look pretty.